Hey everyone, today I'm back with Georgia. And Georgia, what are we drawing today?
Gingerbread Man.
We're drawing a gingerbread man. That's right. Are you ready to draw a gingerbread man? Okay. He's so excited. I love it. Very good. We're going to be using our gel crayons with Georgia. Because they're really easy to draw with. And white. You got all the colors.
Yeah, like a rainbow.
Like a rainbow. Okay, you ready to draw?
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw. Okay, we're going to start with our gingerbread man's head. Okay, so we're going to draw a circle up here. Okay, and watch what I do, and then you can copy what I do. So we're going to draw a circle over here. Just like that. Can you try that here? See if you can hold your pen a little bit closer. That's right. Try like that. Okay. Oh, let me hold your paper for you. Wait. He's so excited. Okay, actually, if we start over here, go around to Okay, you got it. All right, good job. Okay, do you want to join it?
Okay.
You just join that there. Down slowly. Very good. Okay, now we're going to draw Gingerbread Man's arm. So we can draw an arm out here. So watch what I do. I'm going to draw an arm like this. Go straight and then round and in. Oh, that's the wrong way. Try drawing over here on this side. Look what I've drawn here. Let's go straight. Okay.
That's like his bum.
Okay. All right. Okay. I'm gonna draw this one too now. I'm gonna go out this way. Whoopsie. That's okay. You're having so much fun, which is good. Okay. Can you draw a line that comes up here? Yep. And then up here. Here. Good job. Stop. There we go. Okay, we got an arm there.
That's like a monster.
Like a monster gingerbread. And draw another line that come up here. All right. Stop. Okay, and let's draw his feet here. So we're going to draw a line that comes down. So watch what I do. I'm going to draw a line that comes out and round and in over here. Let's try over there. Yeah, and then we're going to go down this way. That's it. And then join. You're just so excited today. That's all right. That's okay. We're going to draw another one over here, coming down there. So look what I do. That's it. I'm going to come down. And up. Very good. That one's better. And can you maybe join this one here?
Okay.
Oh, are you just going anywhere? Okay. All right. Let's draw a line here and join them together. Because then we're gonna draw his eyes.
Then we're gonna do this one.
That's right. Then we're gonna draw that one.
That's chocolate.
Kind of like chocolate. Yeah. Let's draw a line over here. Can you draw this line? Just join a line together here. That's it. Good. Okay, should we draw his eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to draw 2 circles for his eyes. So let's start with the first one.
Okay.
You draw a nice big eye here. Very good. And then can you draw an eye on the other side? I like it. Very good. Okay, let's draw his mouth. Let's give him a nice big smile like that. Very nice. All right, I'm going to just draw...
That's like an old man.
It's like an old man. I'm going to draw...
That's like a daddy.
Is that like me?
Like a beard.
Like my beard? Okay. You don't have to draw that one. You can try. Oh, very good. Yeah. Excellent job. You see, so good. Now we're going to draw some buttons. Okay, and that's going to be the candy.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to draw a big button over here. So you can draw one maybe there. Very good. And let's draw. That's a nice one. Draw one more. Good job. You're doing so good. And then let's give him some boots. So we're gonna draw a line like that.
Okay.
So on his foot, draw it across his leg. That's it. Good. And can you join this part and this part a little bit? Very good. And then on the other leg, let's draw the same. That's it. Okay. Yeah, you can draw it there. Good job. And we're going to color those ones in.
Yeah.
Like icing.
Yeah.
And then let's give him some gloves too. And we can give him some gloves here. Yep, that's right. And that side.
Like that.
You're doing very good. It's really tricky drawing gingerbread man. It's lots of shapes to draw, don't we? I think we're done with our gingerbread man. Do you want to color it in?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's color it in. Okay. I think you've done such a nice one. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah, do you like mine?
Yes.
They look super yummy, don't they? Well, high five to you, Georgia. You did an awesome job. Thanks for following along with us. I hope you did some really nice gingerbread man too, and they're super yummy. Georgia's ready to say bye. See you next time. Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Done.